Hi, I'm Ron. I'm going to take a look at some different methods to try and prevent a padlock from freezing. Have you ever had a padlock freeze on a trailer outside? Try to get it unlocked. It can be a real pain. I'm just going to be using some basic security padlocks from Harbor Freight. Nothing real fancy, but they should do the job for our testing. The products that I'm going to look at today are, number one, Beaver Dam Ice Fishing No Freeze Grease. I'll put the links to all these products in the description. 3-in-1 Dry Lube for Locks. Pure Silicone. This one happens to be from a company by the name of Kel. CRC Marine Heavy Duty Corrosion Inhibitor. DuPont Snow and Ice Repellent. It claims to be a pre-treatment for snow blowers, door gaskets and jams, snow shovels, snow and ice buildup. Liquid Wrench White Lithium Grease. WD-40, and a product called Never Wet. Never Wet is a multi-surface liquid repelling treatment. Let's see what it does. I'm going to start applying the Never Wet product first, as it requires a 30-minute dry time after application of step 1, the base coat. Try and get as much down in there as I can. Coat everything, coat my hands. It's a nice liberal. The next product I'll be applying is WD-40. Again, very generous amounts. The locking mechanism. The next product is the Liquid Wrench White Lithium Grease. Stays in place and prevents rust. Next, I will apply this DuPont Snow and Ice Repellent. Followed by the CRC Heavy Duty Corrosion Inhibitor. Followed by silicone spray. Now we have the 3-in-1 Lock Dry Lube. And last but not least, the Beaver Dam Ice Fishing No Freeze Grease. Well, this is a little bit runny. It's got plenty down in there. Okay, so this has had at least 30 minutes to dry. Coat 1 of the Never Wets. Now we're going to get top coat. Never Wet. So the next step in the process is to submerge each lock in water, and we are going to put it outside to freeze. We're fortunate tonight in the area I live, it's supposed to be 26 degrees Fahrenheit. So we should be able to freeze these. We'll see what we have in the morning. We'll take each one. This is the Never Wet. Completely submerge it. Wait until I don't see any air bubbles. That way, this way. Lock it up. Put it in here. Same with WD-40. I'm going to do this one again. Yeah, lay it on the side. Okay, we have the liquid wrench lithium. Lock it up, put it in. Oh, yikes. Alright. Okay, so we currently have a temperature of about 16 degrees Fahrenheit. The locks have been out overnight. Let's see what we get. The first lock we're going to try has been treated with the Never Wet. Never Wet lock, frozen, won't open. Next on the list is WD-40. See, there's some ice down in there. WD-40 lock, open. Here we have the liquid wrench lithium grease. Oh, well, that one opened like butter. DuPont snow and ice. No, no go. CRC. Frozen solid in there. CRC is a no-go for ice prevention. Pure silicone. Little bit of resistance, but the pure silicone opened up. The no freeze grease. Oh, wow. Opened right up, beautiful. And last but not least, a 3-in-1 dry lube. Opened right up, beautiful. So as we can see, we had a few that worked out really well. We had some that didn't work at all. The WD-40 opened right up. We had liquid wrench lithium opened up. Pure silicone, the no freeze grease, and the 3-in-1 dry lube. The Never Wet, DuPont snow and ice, and the CRC failed. Thanks for taking the time today to tune into my channel and see what these products do to help prevent padlocks from freezing. In an upcoming episode, I'm going to check out what we do to unlock frozen padlocks. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. Have a great day.